Angelina Jolie urges Brad Pitt to drop lawsuit and work toward family healing. Former Hollywood couple Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt continue to argue over a dispute involving their French property. The actress is asking for an end to the legal battle. The actors are disputing ownership over their Château Miraval property, which is home to their wine label, Miraval. Following their divorce, Jolie originally expressed interest in selling her share back to Pitt, but their negotiations came to a halt, resulting in a lawsuit initiated by Pitt. In response, Jolie is asking for Pitt to turn over third-party communications in regards to an incident on a plane when her attorneys allege the actor grabbed Jolie by the head and shook her, and then grabbed her shoulders and shook her again before pushing her into the bathroom wall, a claim Pitt has vehemently denied. His attorneys are pushing back at the request, and Angelina has offered another alternative to drop the lawsuit. Her legal representative Paul Murphy World of Fame in a statement, while Angelina again asks Mr. Pitt to end the fighting and finally put their family on a clear path toward healing. Unless Mr. Pitt withdraws his lawsuit, Angelina has no choice but to obtain the evidence necessary to prove his allegations wrong. In a court filing, Pitt pushed back. The documents state, "These private, third-party communications are far removed from the issues and allegations in this case, and in many cases, they have nothing but the most tenuous relationship to what happened on that plane." Jolie, however, wants them anyway as part of her efforts to turn this business dispute into a relitigation of the former couple's divorce case. According to court documents obtained by the reporter, Jolie was concerned by a request allegedly made by Brad which would require her to sign a non-disclosure agreement. One court document explained, to Jolie, Pitt's demand for a new sweeping NDA was a culmination of years of denial and cover-up and a stinging affirmation of his inability to appreciate how his conduct had so greatly damaged their family. However, Pitt hit back by alleging that Jolie has a past with NDAs, signing and using them before. Plus, Pitt said, fewer than 6 months after the sale to Stoli, Jolie's lawyer proposed an even broader, mutual non-disparagement clause to Pitt. To underscore his point, Pitt requested the court ask Jolie to turn over any NDAs that she was a party to, including those she asked third parties to enter into. Angelina was only willing to comply by offering those that are between herself and her ex-husband. In response, Jolie wrote in a court document, "Jolie has never contended that all NDAs are problematic. The stark and obvious contrast between the NDA to which Jolie objected and the ones that Pitt is now demanding Jolie review and produce is that none of these other NDAs were covering up substantial physical and emotional abuse of Jolie and their children." Thereafter, Jolie sold her shares a third party, but Brad attempted to block that business move with a lawsuit. He claimed that the pair had a verbal agreement to never sell their shares elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Please kindly let us know what you think about this in the comments section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.